Timmer a Hashif. Thalchika Ernest Fihitsa Koik Jiak, Unit 35. In this unit, we'll be looking at how to express hopes. To say that you hope, you say Hami and Dochas, followed by whatever it is that you hope. Hami and Dochas. Hami and Dochas.
In the following scenes, listen for Hami and Dochas gewil an tachgrasost. I hope that you're hungry. Hami and Dochas gewil an tachgrasost. Hami and Dochas gewil an tachgrasost.
Ruidi, troet, had de wie ook jeshal.
Hami a chin.
Shawnish. Hami and Dochas gewil an tachgrasost.
Ha kayat ma.
Timmer a Hashif. Hami and Dochas gewil shif na shar.
Hami pik an na shar and you.
Shaf ludig en voisebal. Hai and Dochas gewil shif na shar.
Oh, hayat bria. More an tang.
Hami and Dochas gewilshiv na shar. I hope you're better. Hami and Dochas gewilshiv na shar. Hami and Dochas gewilshiv na shar.
Hai and Dochas gewil shiv na shar. She hopes you're better. He hopes is Hai and Dochas. Hai and Dochas.
In this next scene, listen for Hami and Dochas gewiliat a koper trang. I hope that they're busy working. Hami and Dochas gewiliat a koper trang. Hami and Dochas gewiliat a koper trang.
Gaan je nou nog een G-shakkev? Kaatje wil een jonjelle.
Ha de gopper lit a computer.
Hami and Dochas gewil at de gopper trang.
Hami en Dochas gewil.
The boss is surprised. He says, Gaan je laun ach een Shakov? There are just the two of you. And he asks, Where are the others?
He adds, Hami and Dochas gewil. I hope so. Hami and Dochas gewil. Hami and Dochas gewil. One other phrase in this section, to say they hope, you say Ha-iat an Dochas. Ha-iat an Dochas.
To say that you hope something is not, you say Hami and Dochas nach el. Hami and Dochas nach el. In the following scene, listen for Hami and Dochas nach el shin ra anamach. I hope we're not too late.
Hami and Dochas nach elshin ro anna mag het aan het jeet.
Hami en Dochas nach heel.
Hallo, Vicky. Hemisch. Hami and Dochas gratuitous maakef.
Waag het jaraf. Hami and Dochas nach ro ski fees.
Charo. Chromi je shell ach kook minatje.
To say that you hope that something was, you say Hami and Dochas gun raw. Hami and Dochas gun raw. Hami and Dochas gun raw tourist ma akav. I hope that you had a good journey.
To say that you hope something was not, you say Hami and Dochas nach raw. Hami and Dochas nach raw. Hami and Dochas nach raw ski a fev. I hope you weren't tired waiting.
To say that you hope that something will be, you say Hami and Dochas can be. Hami and Dochas can be. In the next situation, listen for Hami and Dochas can be cheaty kuljoraken. I hope that we will have enough time.
Ha a bhua dúna ag sia uaran. Ha mi an dochas go mi tíide go leoracin.
Ha mi an dochas go bí. Ha féim, ac yn eith banya.
In this next scene, look out for Hammy and Dochus can be Turigaun amarach. I hope that it will be dry tomorrow. Hammy and Dochus can be Turigaun amarach. Hammy and Dochus can be Turigaun amarach.
Ha mi an dochas go bí tuidig an na maidach.
Carson. Dia tachar
Fi mi a clich golf.
Ha mi an dochas gan bí lá a hacket.
Och, ha mi cínteach go bí. Is stelm golf.
Hamiandochus can be law market. I hope that you will have a good day. Hamiandochus can be law market. Hamiandochus can be law market.
Ian replied, Hammy Keenjich can be. I'm sure I will. Hammy Keenjich can be. Hammy Keenjich can be.
To say that you hope that something will not be, you say, Hamiandochus nach be. Hamiandochus nach be. Hamiandochus nach be an tushke an noch. I hope that it won't rain tonight.
Ha mi an dochas nach bí an duisce an na noch.
A bhfuil a dul amach.
Ha mi a dolle giesgach.
Hai fuair. Ha mi an dochas nach bí a uair.
Ga wie, fi mi kerst go leor.
Kaatje wil een bus. Ha mi an dochas nach bí a fatte kan gien.
Ha mi an dochas nach bí. Hai uavis toch fuair.
Hammy and Dochus nach biura uur. I hope that you won't be too cold.
Hamiandochus nach be a fatte kunchien. I hope that it won't be long in coming.
And the reply was, Hammy and Dochus nach bi. I hope it won't be. Hammy and Dochus nach bi. Hammy and Dochus nach bi.
To say that you hope that someone will enjoy something, you say, Hamiandochus, followed by concorst. Hamiandochus concorst an CD reef. I hope that you enjoy the CD. Hamiandochus concorst an CD reef. Hamiandochus concorst an CD reef. The familiar form is Hamiandochus concorst an CD rucht.
Seo,
Jehan.
an CD uur ag runrig.
Tapelecht.
Ha mi an dochas gan cársteir ut.
Korsti. Ha mi cínteach gan gárst.
Corsti, Hammy Keenjoch concorst. Oh, yes, I'm sure I will enjoy it. Corsti, Hammy Keenjoch concorst. Corsti, Hammy Keenjoch concorst.
Camera Hashiv. Faaltje go unit fichit sa shiatiek. Unit 36. In this unit, we'll be looking at ways of exchanging news. The phrase "Jehatol," what's doing, was introduced in an earlier unit.
Another way to ask what news a person has is to say, Jeteneach. What's your news? Jeteneach. Jeteneach. Or more formally, Jeerneach.
You can also ask, Avil kalas ur? Is there anything new? Avil kalas ur? Avil kal as ur?
How a vorak. Che hatov. Fel kala sur.
Chanel Carl. She doch an avisht.
Hi, Anush. Jet an eich.
Chanel cala súd. Jeir naach cé.
Och an il moran.
Che den eich gan jiw erach.
Chan il tat. Ach i a hwyr.
There are a number of ways of saying you have little or no news. We heard some of them in the dialogues. Chanel Carl. Nothing at all. Chanel Carl. Chanel Carl.
She added, Dierich an avisht. Just the usual. Dierich an avisht. Dierich an avisht.
Chanel Carl asur. Nothing new at all. Chanel Carl asur. Chanel Carl asur.
The speaker asked, Je urnech heen. What's your own news? And the reply was, Chanil moran. Not much. Chanil moran. Chanil moran.
A comment about the weather is often added. Chanel dat. Ach ia ha fwr. Nothing at all. Isn't it cold?